TikTok viewers, have you ever seen a Harley dog?
Did someone say dog?
No! The hot dog versus dog chase never ends well!
I will find you, and I will eat you.
Come on, bud, we're closing. Let's go.
Anyway, she will not escape.
Oh, no, wait! I'm still here! Mr. J, wait!
Huh? I always hear voices.
Wait, Mr. J, I'm still here! I'm in a store, alone! I'm in a store, alone! This is gonna be legendary! Security! Off! Time to go shopping! Oh, juices for free! Let's make shopping spicy! How is this tall? It's like a treasure hunt! Oh! What is this? I'm dog clips! Oh! Cool! Let's try you on! Crazy! I can feel all my teeth! Harley idea! Where are you, Juice? Found it! Let's try it! Doesn't work! Trash! Next thing! My favorite popsicles! This is so cold as Mr. J's heart. I bet I can eat the whole popsicle without brain freeze. I have to take a picture of this. Dog face! I love you, my instant camera. It's a perfect ride for me! Yay! Potato chips! You cannot eat just one! Now we need to find a place to stay. Let's build a room! Just assembling them! Have you ever seen a soda slide? We make a hole in the tube, make sure the bottle will not sleep. Now tie up a pinky ribbon so you can pull the bottle. Put the already made slide tube in the right place and carefully pull the bottle. Delicious and funny are my second names. So good. Now it's time for a nap. Great! 3 TikTok film days in a row. Time to get some veggies. So good I'm stuck in a store. Wow, so pretty. I want this one. So heavy. Okay, let's go. Water heavy. Let's cut it. With a plastic knife, well. Water rough, huh? What am I supposed to do now? No one resists money, and nothing is rougher than a penny. Not even you, water rough melon. Ninja hit! Ha! It works! I love food hacks. And for this, you need a half watermelon, empty and clean. Some blue coloring food in a cup of water. I love to see the reaction. And pour it into a bowl with gelatine. Add some sugar. Sweet, sweet sugar, honey. And mix, 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 baby. Make watermelon pulp for fishy. Now we need to cool it down. Oh, look how cool this jello looks. Look, fishy, I made straw stairs for our watermelon pool. Now let's make a floaty. Grab a plain donut and cover it with pink chocolate. Let's add some shiny sparkles to the top. Place it in the pool and add some little humans swimming. Don't forget the umbrella for the sun. And it's ready. Time to try it. It is always better with a big spoon. Sweet, sweet pool. Huh? It tastes weird. Huh? Spit. What's... there you are. Hi. What was that? Moment. I definitely should make some pictures. Wow, my brain is talking. Yes, you look like a dress. Yes. Shape it. 3, 2, 1. Juicy. 2, 1. Jelly. What? You're not supposed to see that. That was a great prank. Sprite. No way. Soda? To cactuses? Poor babies. Joker's so bad at gardening. I mean, I can do it better. Let's pour into the water slide. All the way down to the plant. Wow, it works! Candies, thank you! I want to make more! Bring it on, sisters! Sugar rush! This is so exciting! Welcome to my garden! Let me introduce you. This one is Lala. So yummy. Fruits and candies. I love it. Told you I'm a better gardener than Joker. Oh. The only problem in this garden is pollution. But I think I know how to fix it. Let's make a patinature. Stick some bottles together. Of course you need to use some raw tape. Make a 6 to 7 bottle line depending on your idea. And make some more lines above. Bottle lines make the shape of our patinature. See?
Ooh, wow!
Look at that! Worthy of a throne! And this is not a game. You will need a lot of tapes. Time for painting! Spray paint always brings me good memories. And I'm a master using it. Wow, it's so pretty! Now let's have some decorations. One for Mr. J. Ah, so cute. Trees for Bud. And the other one's for me, of course. It is done! So practical. Harley Quinn, more like Candy Queen. Unicorn, don't hide. Whoa, so squishy. Little tail. Whoops, someone wants to poop so bad. Boo, not so squishy anymore. Wow, what is that? Wow, let's go in. I wonder who invented this genius. It's like building a bomb. Wow, finally! Time for this to use. What will be first? Bubbles! Bubbles first! I hope this won't hurt. Feel it! Wow! So colorful! Now let's add some slime! Wow! So elastic! I love it! Wow! Focus, Harley. Put it in. Yay! It's very expandable. Woo! Time to add some sparkles. I love sparkles. So shiny and colorful. Wow, it's like magic. Brain is talking again. He has a better idea. Let's make a Slimify. I wonder if we can use it later. We missed some sugar, hun. And a little bit of tenderness. I missed something here. Soda, right? Thirsty. Time to try the Franken squishy. Oh, wow, it works! Now you're squishier than ever. Blop, blop. The brand new tail holds everything in there, huh? Wow, this is so relaxing and you have a lot inside. Oh. Wow, what do we have here?
Woohoo! Hi, sweet human!
What's in that head, though?
Huh? Squish mind! Woohoo!
Are you ready for the next level? Body squish!
You were not joking, huh? Thankfully, I slowly come back to my shape.
Now let's turn you into Mini Harley.
Ouch! Yay!
Now, let's see what's going on in your head.
Why always the crazy ones? I have nothing in my head and it's okay! Wait! Hey! At least make it pink and squishy!
that you won't need anymore. Now let's see what's in your head. Oh, I see something. Joker? Typical. Some music. Yeah, life is not life without it. This is tough and sticky. What is that? Yummy. Tasty. Now it's time to put things in her head. She said pinky and squishy. This slime matches perfect with you, honey. How do you feel about your surgery?
I feel squishy, crazy, and awesome! Thanks!
Now let's try the Squishy Maker for snacks. These gummies are delicious. Now add some Sprite. I love it. Lemon soda always makes it better. Mr. J has to improve his snacks. With a squishy snack, and if you freeze it, haha, delicious! Once it's frozen, take the plastic away. See? Lemon gummy snack! And it looks outlandish! Fresh snack! Do you want some? Sorry, it's not for dolls. Caution, highly addictive? I don't think so. Not for me. Look, wow, are these size for real? Wow, it's so big. And they match my hair. Whoops, now it's correct. Look at this one. They say if you're sad, Twix is a good fix. And it has 2 parts. I wish I had someone to share it with. Look at this. It's kind of heavy though. What? It smells great. It's a big one. Oh my god, this is better than a suicide mission. Is someone there? No.
That kid was too scared, right, bud? Perfect morning to open the store.
Smells like a mess. Yummy.
Holy bats! What happened in here? I hope that is chocolate. Look at that, bud! Follow the trail! Find him!
Good news, Mr. J. It's chocolate. Where are your feet? Oh, humans are so hilarious and so predictable. Gotcha!
So good. I'm sorry, Mr. J.
I want that snack.
He'll never come back! Not even to film!
Wow, so much leftover food! That is my lucky day. Oh, I'm so hungry. I know what to start with. Ew, that's not cake. Ugh. What is this thing? That's slime. Oh, clay face. Not again. Ugh, yuck. Oh, toilet paper. I could use that. So that's a real cake? Yes. That's fake? Oh, this is the right one. I can't believe it's a cake. Let's see what's on the other tables. Mochi! And there are so many. Let's try you first. Sweet as my new cockroach BF. Magnificent. How yummy. This inspired me to cook a little something myself. Place that cup and apply some force. Remove what is left on the sides. Ta-da! A perfect circle. Now let's get some cream on top and fold it. Are you following my lead? Cook it and carefully place it on a dish. Just like this guy here. He can handle the pressure, it seems. Go to your buddies, little guy. They are gonna follow the same fate. Don't feel sorry for them, they're totally fine. Or at least I like to think so. Huggies! Looks like this Huggy Wuggy is dating Kissy Missy. Huh? You look ugly. I'll eat you first. It is so-so. Now it's your turn. This guy is special. I'm sorry. I was just jealous of your relationship. Harley, I'm coming for you, girl. Come here. Harley, I made you a mochi joker. This, oh this, this. I guess I still miss this guy. Oh. Slow down, Harley. Gotta behave in front of the camera. But this tastes so good. Hope this doesn't look too weird. Huh? That's the key to the way out. And bye. Let's see now.
Hello! My friend needs a cooking lesson. Can you help?
Maybe. I guess I could. Where is he?
Down here.
Oh. Oh, hi. Are you ready for your lesson?
Whee!
First step, let's go to the supermarket.
I love shopping.
Are you ready to go shopping? Let's go. Don't forget to take the cart.
Thanks, honey.
Oh, let me reach that for you. What else should we get? Oh, I think we need this one. Yeah, let's go. Don't speed, mister. I will have to give you a ticket. Oh, here is your bag. Now let's scan the products. Beep. Beep. And some milk. Keep swimming. Beep. Beep. Let's go. You are such a strong guy. Look at you. Finally, we are home. Let's go in my kitchen.
Oh, he's saying something. What? A smaller kitchen? Where?
Now I will teach you how to get some burgers. First we start with that cute little bun. Poison Ivy gave me some lettuce from her garden. I hope it is fresh. It looks so I will give it a try. Now things are about to get steamy. That aroma, so delightful. Don't cry because of the onion. Cry because you will never be as good as me. Hey, Mr. Meatball, can I have some? You go in here, little guy. If you smell what Harley's cooking. All the pieces of the puzzle are here. Tiny pickles cut with a tiny knife by an enormously good chef. That's me. Now let's combine everything into one perfect burger. Hope you're hungry, but not too much, because it's a gourmet portion. Just a few finishing touches. Oh, wow! They turned out so cool! Am I right, Roach?
Thanks, H. I will bring these to my homies. Woohoo! Burgers! Hey, bros! Munchies arrived! Let's have a bro feast! Come, everyone!
Wow! They are learning so fast! Happy graduation, buddy! Is this a party now?
I will make your whole world spin, baby! Woohoo!
They're having a special party!
Right!
Ooh!
Drinks!
Let's rock! I'm so hungry!
Hungry? Pooh. Do you want this?
Ew, no! I want real food! Hey, honey! Ooh! Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Diamonds? Okay. About honey, too. Still a sweet topic. Color is always a must. It can never be too sweet. Now that's a beautiful stream. Wow! It's ready. Time to freeze. No, not you, Mr. Freeze. Don't get your hopes up. Time is up. Wow! Now look at this masterpiece. Green like Mr. J's hair. It's still a little bit crunchy. Let's try. Oh, you next. This is even more satisfying than it looks. Ew!